In this video, I want to give you a real definition of what affiliate marketing is. No hype, just an explanation, clearly defined so you understand what the parts and pieces are and how to actually do it and make money. Because at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is selling products so you can earn a commission. A commission is money that you earn for the recommendation of other people's products, which makes you an affiliate. Take a look at this diagram or this graphic. Affiliate, also known as a publisher, promotes a product or service and brings customers in. Customers, those are the people that are going to buy the products, purchase the product or service and generate more sales for the merchant. The merchant or the advertiser is the person that creates the product. It also is the person that pays you your commission for making a recommendation for the product that they are selling, that at the end of the day you are selling based upon your recommendation. And in the world of digital marketing or online marketing as an affiliate, getting people to click on your link. Of course, I said I don't want to make this a hype video, but the statistic is the statistic. Affiliate marketing is projected to grow to a $36.9 billion, $40 billion by 2030. The point for showing you this is so you simply understand the money, the size of the industry, money-wise, and the money and the potential that you have. Again, this is not about me coming on here telling you that you're going to make money instantly or you're going to turn this into a $10,000 a month business overnight, but understand that there is a lot of money in this industry and a lot of money for you to be made as an affiliate marketer. Now, what does this actually look like? If you go to Google and you type in what is the best lawnmower for a small yard, you'll see some ads. These ads are ran by whomever or by Google themselves to advertise lawnmowers in the hopes that you will click. They'll earn a commission, or the person that ran the ad will earn a commission, or if the person running the ad is the vendor themselves. But after the ads, if you scroll down, you will see content. These are websites. Websites typically ran by people that are affiliate marketers, creating helpful content to let people know about the 10 best lawnmowers. Below that, you see again a list of ads or a list of places to buy lawnmowers, because the question that is being asked is what is the best lawnmower for a small yard? That means the person, the customer looking for the answer to that question is positioned or ready to buy. And at that point, they are going to go over to Amazon. Most people might already go directly to Amazon, meaning you wouldn't earn a commission. But the idea and the concept here is, as a publisher, a person that creates content, is to let people know that this is the best mower before they actually go buy. Now, Amazon.com has an affiliate program. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see Become an Affiliate. When you click that link, it takes you over to Amazon Associates. This is what they call their affiliates, associates. Recommend products, earn commissions. Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, recommend products. Step 3, earn money, make money, earn commission. Now, what does that actually look like? For example, we looked at the search over on Google. We could do the same thing on YouTube. For example, if you had a question like how to mow stripes in your lawn, you can see here that there's an ad, meaning that someone is trying to get the top position, and they do get the top position for someone to click on this video and watch it to earn a commission via the product that they're trying to sell. But if you scroll down through here, you're going to see Ryan Knorr Lawn Care, and then you're going to see a video or a YouTube channel called Jimmy Lewis. Now, what Jimmy is doing is he's creating videos, helpful content that answer people's questions. If you actually look in the video description, you're going to see a bunch of links. These are going to be affiliate links. You know this by reading or doing or providing what they call a disclaimer in all of your content. I participate in affiliate advertising programs designed to provide a means for sites to earn advertising fees by advertising and linking. I do earn a commission off of purchases made through the links contained within. This is a disclaimer, meaning if you click on any of Jimmy Lewis's links in his videos, when he helps you solve a problem and you click on his link, he earns a commission, and that is the way he makes his money. Again, back to this model. Now you have a clear working definition. You have a clear understanding in plain and simple terms, the way people create content, the way people do affiliate marketing. As an affiliate, also known as a publisher because you are creating and publishing content. You're promoting a product or a service, and that brings customers in. The customers are the ones that purchase the product, the service, and generate the sale. The sale of the merchant product or the advertiser that creates the product and pays commissions to the affiliate, which is you when you create the content and you apply to their affiliate program to get permission or approval to promote their products. They give you an affiliate link. If you were to go back to Amazon, Amazon makes this very simple. As you can see here, I was clicking or I was looking at the lawnmowers when I was doing this video, when I was logged in. So if I was actually going to recommend a lawnmower, for example, if I scroll down and I said this Greenworks lawnmower that costs $300 is the best lawnmower, Amazon has a thing called SiteStripe. You don't really need to get into the technical details, but you can see here, all I have to do is simply click that. And you can see that this is my affiliate link, and I simply paste this into my website or to my YouTube video, as you saw earlier. And then when someone clicks on that link, it's going to recognize that that's my link, and there's going to be some technical stuff like cookies. And after people click that link, I'm going to get credit, or I'm going to earn the commission for the sale, and I'm going to earn the commission, and that's what affiliate marketing is. Me, as a content creator, recommending products that I use, that I know, that I trust, that I like, that I know solve the problem for the audience that I'm building out there. And then when they click on my link, they go and buy that product from the manufacturer or the merchant that built the product, and then I earn a commission. And that's how you make money. And that's what affiliate marketing is. If you'd like to deep dive into more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and watch the video you see on the screen right now. Check that out. If you have any questions, let's talk about it in the comments. And I'll talk to you later.